In this video, we shall be looking at the signals practically and see how action has to be taken in each and every trade. Okay, present we are running at the short trade. We will not book profit anywhere. Here we are getting a warning signal. This is a warning signal. No action has to be taken at this signal. You will buy at 1 rupees above this warning rate. That is, you will put a stop loss buy at 8178.60 paisa. You are getting 30 points minus in this trade. Okay, we will not look at plus or minus. We will bother at the yearly gain which we are getting. Now this signal we put stop loss buy at 8178.60 paisa and wait for other candle to trigger. Whether it triggers or not, we don't know. See, yes, it has made the high of 8205 and the trigger price is 8178.60 and we are getting the bank nifty at this same rate. This is a spot bank nifty rate. You can manage it by looking at the highest high of the day or lowest low of the day, whichever signal is there. You will getting the same price. Okay, 1 rupee above in the future price, you will get the same future. Now we are in the long position. This system can be played by any ladies member, any student who can make side income at home. You get enough time as these are hourly chart. The candles, each candle is of 1 hour and these lines shows the breakups of days, number of days. In one day we get 5 candles to 6 candle. Okay, see, we are not getting any signals in 4 to 5 days. So we will not get the signals daily. Okay, we are getting 0.700 to 600 point profit here. You can see. We don't know what is the top and what is the bottom. We'll just wait for the signal to reverse. See, here we are getting a reverse signal at 8847.45. We are getting 669.85 paisa profit in the last trade. You can see. Okay, what we have done, nothing. We are just following the signal. Now what we'll do, we'll put 1 rupee minus as stop loss buy. This is a warning signal. Its warning rate is 8847.45. We will put 8846.45 as our stop loss buy. 1 rupee below as it is a short trade. We will wait for next candle to trigger. Okay, the price has triggered. It has made low of 883.7 and now we are in the short position. We will not see whether other person is short or long, but we will play as per the signal only. We will not follow anybody else. Okay, see here again we are getting a buy signal warning at 9104.05. We are getting 256 point loss. Okay, so from last trade we are getting 669. This trade we got 30 point minus and here we are getting 256 point minus even though we are in profit. Now what we'll do, 9104.05 paisa is our trigger warning price and we will put 1 rupee above as it is a long trade and 9105.5 paisa is our trigger price which we will place in our terminal. Here the price has not made the high and trigger our price, so we are still in short position. Our position are not triggered. See, in the third candle also our position high of 9105 has not triggered and the signal has disappeared. You can see, so you don't have to take the action at the warning signal. Please note of this. Again, second candle, after 3 candles, warning signal will disappear if our price does not trigger. Now again we are getting a buy signal at 9106.85. Previous buy signal was 9105. Now we are getting at 9106.85. So we will add 1 rupee and 9107.85 will be our trigger. We will wait for next candle to trigger our price. It had made a high of 9114.45 and our price has triggered as our buy price stop loss buy was 9107.85 and this is 9114. So now easily you are in a long trade. We don't know after signal what market is going to do, but we'll take decision as per signals. Only then we will make money. We will not use our mind. We will not watch TV. We will not follow any tips by our friends. Okay, that should be a commitment during the time of login. Please follow the quantity you are playing. Do not change over to any quantity. You can see we are getting 700 points profit in this trade. Don't worry of loss, it will always get covered in next trades. There are whipsaw to everybody. Any analyst who is the best also makes loss in the stock market, because without making loss you will never be earning. These signals are based on technical basis, so you don't have to worry, as you don't have to use your mind or emotion. Please be away from your emotion or your tips which you are doing previously. Please follow the PVTS trading system. Okay, here we are getting short trade at 9701.50. We'll minus 1 rupee as it is a short trade in a stop loss sale order. We'll wait for the next candle to start and trigger our price. See, the low made is 9736.55. It has not reached our stop loss sale at 9700.50 paisa price. So we are in long position still. Here in the third candle it has not triggered, so the signal has disappeared, you can see. So now we will wait for other signal. Here in this day we are getting gap down signal and it is at 9661.45 paisa. So what we'll do, we'll deduct 1 rupees and we'll put our stop loss sale at 9660.45. This is the day opening candle and we are getting it at the lowest price of the day. So future price will be the low and deduct 1 rupee from the price mentioned in the low of the future. Okay, we are getting 554 points in this trade. You can see you will not be able to take such gains by yourself. See the strength of the system and just follow the signals. See again here we are getting a buy signal. Okay, we are getting at 9767.95. What we'll do, we will put 1 rupee above at 9768.95 paisa. We are making 106 point loss, no matter we had earned here 554 points. Okay, now here buy price of 9768.95 is triggered. Now we are in long position. Okay, now we are entering February month and we shall continue this in the third part of video.